1. Clean promptly. After each brewing cycle, tap the Clean button on the screen. Automatic cleaning is enabled by default. The water flow time is set to 3 seconds and is adjustable. 2. Brew head cleaning. Press this button. Use a cleaning brush to repeatedly scrub the brew head. Tap Stop to end the process. 3. Cleaning every week. Put an appropriate amount of cleaning tablets or powder into the portafilter. Knock the portafilter. Press menu parameter Setup Brew head cleaning and confirm. The machine will automatically run a cleaning cycle. 4. Portafilter cleaning. The portafilter tea filter should be cleaned regularly to prevent clogging by fine tea particles. First, loosen the screw. Remove the tea filter. Be sure to keep the screw safe. Use the brush to clean up. Reinstall the tea filter after cleaning. Tighten the screw.